Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, all. To me, Ms. Artie ang our chairman, Dr. Nelson S. Gonzalez, our school president, Ms. Aloma Montanez Reyes, our school academic consultant, Dr. Marie Tessie A. Vicente, our college senior dean, um, Ms. Lavan P. Monte Alegre, our junior dean, our esteemed guest speaker, Ms. Joanne Marie S. J. Lacapuena, administration, family, and friends, and my fellow graduates also. A pleasant and joyous day to all. Time flies really fast. Parang nung nakarang araw lang when we completed senior high school. Parang nung nakarang araw lang na-pressure tayo kung sa college at anong course yung kukunin natin. Parang nung nakarang araw lang, nag-enroll tayo dito first year. I remember it was pandemic. And look at us now. We're all here on this silent day. I know this is literally at the end, but we're here, marking the final moments of our academic journey. As I stand here today, I am filled with immense pride and profound gratitude. This moment, this day, represents a culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and unwavering support from so many people. It's a moment to celebrate our achievements, but more importantly, it's a moment to express our heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this journey possible. First and foremost, I want to give my gratitude to our Almighty Father, our Creator, for all of this may not be possible without Him guiding, caring, and continuously blessing all of us. Without Him, we won't be here. Next, I want to thank our incredible alma mater for its hardworking and awesome faculty and staff. Your dedication to our education and personal growth has been nothing short of extraordinary. You have challenged us, inspired us, and guided us with patience and wisdom. You've not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in us a love for learning that will stay with us throughout our lives. Thank you for believing in us and pushing us to reach our full potential. To our families, we have an immeasurable debt of gratitude. Your love, support, and sacrifices have been the foundation upon which we build our dreams. You have been our biggest cheerleaders, our pillars of strength, and our sources of unwavering encouragement. Through late night study sessions, moments of doubt, and every triumph along the way, you have stood by us. Thank you for your endless support and for always believing in our dreams. Ma, Pa, to my brother that isn't here, especially to my sister, thank you for always having my back. Thank you for believing in me and for all the support. Thank you. To our friends, which is obviously you guys, thank you for being our confidants, our partners in adventure, and our sources of laughter and joy. The bonds we formed during this journey are irreplaceable. We've shared our countless memories, faced challenges together, and celebrated each other's success. Kaya may time na mayroong conflicts and misunderstanding, we're still there and have our backs. Your friendship has been a vital part of this experience. I am grateful for every moment we spent together. Thank you for making this academic journey bearable. Lloyd, Chad, Josh, John, yours, Tol. Salamat mga pare. And all of you guys, salamat. As we stand on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, it's important to acknowledge that this achievement is not ours alone. It is a collective of success, made possible with the contributions of so many. Let's carry forward the lessons we've learned and the values we've embraced and the gratitude we feel into our future endeavors. And before I conclude to my alma mater, please don't stop taking the path of progress and development for the sake of improving the place of learning for the future generations. Let's not focus on what we could gain, rather make our vision fixated on the legacy we could give to the future generations. And to all the professors and instructors, please don't stop nurturing the future generations. I know nurturing the future generations is really a hard job, but please don't stop taking care of them. To the future generations and learners here, make your alma mater proud. And to my fellow graduates, rather, remember, the path ahead is unknown, and it will surely transform us into every individual that ourselves can be proud of. Of course, challenges and mistakes are included in this. It's not easy. In fact, it's mind-blowing. We will fall, we will make life mistakes. But whatever happens, stand tall and stand again. That's just life. It's a matter of purpose. Be proud. Also, again, my fellow graduates, congratulations. We have reached this milestone together, and I'm incredibly proud, and I will each of you. As we move forward, let us remember to express our gratitude to those who have helped us along the way. Let us strive to make positive impact in the world, to pay forward the kindness and support we receive, and to always remember the power of gratitude. Good luck in the new chapter of our journey. Thank you and congratulations to the class of 2024. Mama, sir, all sa amin.